This is your math students, and welcome to math test number 28. We're going to go through some problems together on iReady over rigid transformation. So we just need to answer the questions within this video. So we need to match each picture to the term that shows motion. So for this first picture, what is our answer? That's correct, it's a slide. For this second picture, what is our answer? That's correct, it's a flip. We flip over this vertical. Obviously, for this last picture, it's a turn. So how can we describe the transformation from figure B to figure A? Think about it carefully. Is it a slide? Is it a flip? Or is it a turn? So as you can see, it's a slide.
Transformation is a slide.
So we can call a slide also a translation. So to describe the translation, figure A is translated blank units. So pick a point and ask yourself, how many points did that travel to get to the new point? So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Equals 5 units up. So let's take a look at this. What picture is this first picture? Which picture is the second picture, third picture, fourth picture? We have a translation in the second picture, just a slide straight across. It's important to note that in a translation, the shapes stay the same size and they face the same direction. So given that, which figure is a translation of figure A? It needs to be the same shape, same size, and facing the same direction. Is it B, is it C, or is it D? So it's clearly figure C. It's in the same direction and it got slid down.
Figure A is translated to form figure C.
So how can we describe figure B transformed to figure A? Is that a slide? Is it the same size from the same direction? Is it a flip, the same size but opposite direction? Or is it a turn, rotate? Well, in this case, it is definitely a flip.
Nice. This transformation is a flip.
So the flip is the same thing as a reflection. It gives you a mirror image across a line of a reflection. So which figure is a reflection of figure A? When we want the same shape, or we want the mirror image, the opposite image. Is it B? Is it C? Or is it D? Well, we know this is D, because all we had to do was reflect into this vertical line.
This is the line of reflection. Figure A is reflected to form figure B.
So how would we describe this transformation from figure B to figure A with a slide, to the flip, to the turn? Well, we obviously know this one's a turn.
This transformation is a turn.
So a turn is also called a rotation. It's the center rotation at this point right here, which is called the vertex. And that's how A turns into figure B. So which figure is rotation of figure A? Is it B? Is it D? Or is it C? We obviously know in this case the answer is D. It's rotated about the center of this point right here.
This is the center of rotation. Figure A is rotated to form figure D.
So the center of rotation, when we rotate J to K, is right here in the middle. So it is outside of figure J. So for our first picture, what do we have? A rotation, translation, or a reflection? For our second picture, what do we have? A rotation or a reflection? In our last picture, we have a rotation. So this is super important. You'll notice which features of the shape stay exactly the same. Well, they're the same shape in every one, whether it's a translation, reflection, rotation, and they're the same size. They're just a different orientation or location. So look at segment AD. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units long. And segment EH is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units long. So therefore, the sides have the same length and are therefore corresponding. You can tell you have corresponding sides because in a rigid transformation, corresponding sides have the same length. Just like sides, angle A and angle E have the same angle measurement. They are corresponding angles. They are matching angles and rigid transformations, corresponding angles will have the same measure. So which side of JKLM corresponds with FG? Is it JK? Is it KL? Is it LM? Is it MJ? Obviously, it's KL. This side corresponds with that side. So which angle in PQRS corresponds with angle J? Here's angle J. So which angle corresponds with angle J? Angle P, Q, R. Obviously, it's P. Which angle in WXYZ corresponds with angle R here? So you'll notice it's at the bottom, and next to Q and then S. So you want to, when you rotate it, look at this angle. And so which angle corresponds? It's angle Y.